Operations conducted in the industry, such as grinding, polishing, or welding, generate dust that may be hazardous to employees. This is why the use of devices for air filtering at a shop floor is of such significance. It is important for these systems to operate at relevant workstations. Today, we will take a look at one of such solutions, as we will see how a grinding table with dust extraction is manufactured. For this purpose, we visited a factory of the company CleanAir in Myszewko near Tris City. The company CleanAir is a Polish manufacturer of filtering and ventilation devices used in steelwork, plastics, and ceramics industries. Our devices are used in various processes, including laser or plasma cutting, welding, and grinding. The spoil generated during dry grinding falls down, but fine dust floating in the air that can be inhaled by a grinder poses a challenge. It's hazardous to health. Therefore, various solutions are used to remove fine metal dust from the grinding station. The table, the manufacturing of which we are going to see, has its own exhaust and filtration system. It was designed by CleanAir engineers. The device is to be compact, to take as little space at the production hall as possible. Furthermore, it is to be safe and characterized by sufficient capacity. However, that's not all. When designing our devices, we pay a lot of attention to the design as well as ergonomics of operators' work. Let's take a look at the manufacturing process. Elements such as the table housing or exhaust lamellas are prepared on a cutting machine. These later elements are additionally bent. Furthermore, a control box is also prepared. For example, surge protection devices are installed. On the next station, a compressed air reducer is equipped with connectors for connection of grinding accessories. The control panel plate is laser engraved. Meanwhile, components of pneumatic and electronic systems and filters that will be installed in the table are picked in the warehouse. All these components are delivered to the assembling department. First, the device structure is put together. The discharge chute that will direct grinding spoils into the drawer is screwed on. Exhaust lamellas, generating vacuum to improve exhaust parameters, are installed. Here, one of the crucial devices of the machine is prepared: the fan rotor. It is customized to the parameters required for this table. It will be used to extract the dust from the station. The rotor is installed on a motor. The fan compartment was earlier equipped with an insulating mat to ensure low noise level during operation. The level of noise generated by the device is only 69 dB. The engine with the rotor are installed in the compartment. Then ventilation filters are installed. A metal grease filter, on which coarser dust will settle, and a bag filter, stopping filter fractions. A labyrinth filter is also installed in the device. Thus, sparks generated in the grinding process are extinguished and the machine does not catch fire. Then, the drawer collecting the spoil is inserted and the metal top is installed. A wooden top is also available, used for processing of details more susceptible to scratches. Lighting is necessary for precise processing. A wooden platform protects against slipping on metal panels that may fall to the floor. Finally, exhaust tests are performed with an anemometer. It must conform to specified assumptions of 1400 cubic meters per hour. Grinding tables with an exhaust system and filters, manufactured at the plant in Myszewko, are delivered mainly to factories in Poland. There are already 400 such devices working at Polish plants.